How to change Gmail password if forgotten. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
What you want to go ahead and do is just go to your browser of choice. So I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this, but you can use Safari if you want to as well. Just make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, once you're here, on the top right, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then just go to manage your Google account, which is the very first option at the top. So go ahead and click on that. Once you do, you're going to be brought over to the settings page. You want to scroll over, you're going to see a lot of different options on the top. Just go over to security next to data and privacy. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different things, but all you want to do is scroll down until you see password. Right now it's at the bottom for me. So just go ahead and click on password right there. Now it's going to verify that it's you. You can use a passkey if you have one. For example, I do. It's just for more security. And then once it verifies that it's you, it's going to show you that you're going to be able to make a new password. It says choose a strong password and don't reuse it for other accounts. You may be signed out of your account on some devices. And then it says learn more about where you'll stay signed in. Then you just got to make a password and then confirm it by typing it in again. It says use at least 8 characters. Don't use a password from another site or something too obvious like your pet's name. This is because it's going to be very easy if, any hacker or something tries to get into your account. If you have something very recognizable or something that's really, really known to you, then it's going to be a lot easier, which is obviously something you don't want to do.